Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap for the last week. So let's get it started. I've made a couple of videos already. I made one in the midweek on Wednesday, I guess, right? But this is for the whole week. So now, all right, the week started on the September 1st, and this is one of those trades, right? On September 1st, Euro Yen. Short side, and then on September 2nd, pound CAD short setup here, and this is also taken. No, this one also taken from the other computer right there. Okay, so this was an entry, and this is an entry as well. And there are a couple of more on the September 2nd, pound Aussie. This is all pound trades to the downside because of pound weakness. So that's a beautiful entry here. It was another entry here, all the way down to 135 pip. And there is another on September 2nd September pound USD, all pound pairs, right? And beautiful, so many entries here, and then again here and here and here, right? So this is the system where you can find a lot of entries within the day. Now here on September 3rd, Euro Aussie short, beautiful entry by the book. And then it went up a little bit here, and then gave me another entry, and then I took it to the short side right there. You see that it went up, down a little bit more, and then start dropping. So that's also September 3rd. And September 4th, here comes Aussie strength, and all Aussie pair went up. Not all, Aussie Yen, Aussie USD went up, and Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie went down. So this is a beautiful up move, and this is where I was able to take the entry here. And then Euro Yen again, 7 minute, it went up now after dropping. That's what happened. This is all because of Yen weakness. Aussie Yen went up, Euro Yen went up, and here now Pound Aussie. This is because of the pound strength. Here's on the 4th, September 4th, the long side. And you will probably see, and then pound Aussie also from here it was start to go up. Pounds, something happened in UK, and pound all of a sudden starts getting very strong. So all pound pairs start to go up again. On the 4th, you can see that pound Aussie went up, pound Aussie also it went up, even though later on they went down. But let me show you. And then pound USD again also went up, right? 3 pound pairs so far going to the upside on the 4th, and pound Yen also. And then pound yen, I had another trade on the 5th, a big one, which I will show you here. So USD CAD, small trade to the downside, and here pound Aussie again on the 5th, September 5th, after coming all the way up here and then dip and then go up again from 20-minute chart. And you pound yen, this is the one after I had a small one here to here, but then on the 20-minute on the 5th, it continued after dropping and give me a beautiful entry by the book, and went up for 150 pip to the upside. That's pound. Then pound USD right here. This is from 7-minute all the way up 110 pip. This system gives you a lot of confident entries, very easy to take once you learn. Aussie Yen to the upside because of Yen weakness is still there, and Aussie USD Kiwi strength after dropping here, and then Aussie Yen, Aussie USD, Aussie everything went up, and pound Aussie started to come down, which I'll show you later on. So on the 5th, this is on the 5th USD Yen weakness, all Yen pair went up. Here is a beautiful upside, and then this is there was another one which I think pound Aussie right here on the 6th, right? On the 6th, this pound Aussie started to drop here, and then I took the entry here from 20-minute chart for 90 pip. Okay, so these are the trades, but I'm going to show you this the reason behind all these entries. I'm just going to show you this the last one, so why I did it on the 27th pound Aussie on the 27th August. This is the chart, the weakness in pound weakness I was expecting, even though in the middle pound went up, and I took all those upside trades as well, the long trade, right? But see, this is what's happening, and this is the current chart as it is. So we got stopped here and then kind of coming down as well, right? So this is where I took the last short, because it might be coming down all the way to the TL. And the way I do it is that I go and then I start drawing these numbers very close by to the PA. All these numbers, I pick the very close numbers, and then I open a 32-minute chart, and then I draw those. Now this is pound. This is okay. 33-minute chart. Forget about these yellow lines here. This is all London Open. I was just doing my analysis. So see, this is my 32-minute chart. I draw all these lines and these numbers, horizontal numbers, and I wait for the entry. And this is where on September 6th, last Friday, it went up and it touched this area here, 93.49. By the way, where is 93.49? We can go and take a look here. 93.49 is somewhere here. Right there. Okay, so 93.49, it hit there and then start kind of like stopping there. And let me go back and find where is the weekly 32-minute chart. Right. And then it starts dropping, and then down the road on a 30-minute chart, not 20-minute chart, it gave me a nice entry here. Where is it? I just showed you the chart right there. See, it started dropping from there and then all the way down. This was an entry as well. I had it, but that one on the break even got knocked out, and then another one, and I took it, and it went all the way down, right? So this is how the analysis and then 32-minute chart show the way, and then from either 20-minute or sometimes 7-minute chart, I make my entries. So it is all calculated. It is all according to my plan. This is what I call Magic IB system. So if you like what you saw, go on my website, subscribe, be a part of it, and start trading. Tomorrow I'm going to have a live webinar where I'll show the new setups, building, and what is going to happen on Monday and Tuesday. And then I will have another webinar on Wednesday showing what will happen on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So this is how I do it. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.